Good evening everyone, my name is Arya Yadav and today I am going to answer some questions asked by my tuition teacher of chapter The Story of Village Palanpur.
Okay, class 9.
Standard.
Economics. So your first question, Arya, what are the factor of production?
Every production of an organization is a combination. Every production
is organized by
Every production is organized by the combination of land, labor and physical factor and human capital, which are the factors of
known as the factor of production. ठीक है. So your next question, Arya, define the process of multiple cropping.
To grow one crop on one piece of land in a given year is known as multiple cropping.
So Arya, your next question is, what are the merit of using modern farming method?
मैम आपने पहला सा क्वेश्चन पूछ ही नहीं बट
मैंने डिफाइन द प्रोसेस ऑफ द मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग पूछा था ना आपसे.
मैंने पूरा नहीं बोला था.
हाँ तो बोलो फिर आप उसको.
To grow more crop in a one piece of land in a given time or year is known as multiple cropping. It is a most common way of using a given piece of land.
हाँ छोटा तो मैं भी कह रही हूँ, इनकम्प्लीट कैसे बता रहे हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को आप बताओ आंसर. व्हाट आर द मेरिट ऑफ द यूजिंग द मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड?
It increases the production of crops in a very less time and the production of factories to make machineries like threshers and farming activities.
Okay. आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जाता है इरिगेशन. वाई?
Irrigation facilities are
irrigation facilities are
irrigation
available for
irrigation facilities are available for 40% of cultivated land in a country, but the rest of the world, that is 60%, is still dependent on rain. Hence, irrigation is important. It is important to increase area under irrigation.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका होगा, वाई आर द वेजेस ऑफ द फॉर द फार्म लेबर्स in the Palampur less than the minimum wages?
There is a heavy competition going on between farmers for work. The employment is less, but the farmers are more, and farmers have to be content with what they are earning. And farmers are illiterate and unaware of the amount of minimum wages that is set by the government.
What are the different way of the increasing production on the same piece of the land? Use example to the explain.
Multiple cropping. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land is known as multiple cropping. For example, in Palampur, jowar and bajra are grown and potato is a third crop. And the second method is modern farming method. Production on a same piece of land can also be increased by adopting modern farming method. The green revolution in India using HYV seeds is in 3 states of Punjab, Haryana and UP is a remarkable example of
modern
farming
farming.
method.
Okay. So last question for you. So what is the difference between the traditional farming and the modern farming?
Traditional farming, there is no use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, whereas in modern farming, there is use of fertilizers and pesticides and HYV seeds. There is no use in traditional farming. We use tractors or bullocks to plow fields or use to farming activities, and in modern farming method, there are machineries like threshers and etc. to do farming activities.
Okay. सो आर्या आपका तो रेडी है. इसमें 1-2 क्वेश्चन मैंने अल्टरनेट पूछा था, तो ठीक है. और अभी आपका सेकंड चैप्टर भी करना है, ठीक है. चलो अभी थोड़ा सा मैं आपको ब्रेक देती हूँ. इसका आपका फर्स्ट तो रेडी है, ठीक है. और थोड़ा ये चीज़ मैं कहूँगी फीडबैक में कि आप हैंड राइटिंग पे विशेष ध्यान दो, क्योंकि हैंड राइटिंग आप तो ऐसे लिखते हो, हेडिंग वगैरह देखते हो तो बड़ा अच्छा है भाई, लेकिन आप जब लिखते हो रफ में, जब टेस्ट देते हो उस टाइम बहुत फास्ट करते हो, तो हैंड राइटिंग आपकी जो होती है बहुत ख़राब हो जाती है. तो वो ध्यान दो, उस पर मार्क्स कटेंगे, ठीक है. चलो ओके. अब बाकी तो सब अच्छा है. ऑल द बेस्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए.